Hello, Professor Obeso. So my name is Stephanie He, and today I will be talking about my wet lab, which is the sodium bicarbonate reaction. So as a bit of background information, baking soda is a base, and once combined with an acid, it will form a neutralized base. And so the base, which is the baking soda, and the citric acid from the lemon combined together will create a neutral base. And baking soda itself can help with several health issues such as skin care, neutralizing the stomach, with stomach acid particularly, and teeth whitening. And it's especially helpful with neutralizing stomach acid because baking soda and lemon create sodium citrate, which is an antacid. So today in the sodium bicarbonate reaction experiment, we are adding baking soda, which is the sodium bicarbonate, into water, mixing that, and then combining the lemon juice to see what kind of reaction the sodium bicarbonate solution will create. All right, so right over here I have my working space. I have the baking soda we will be using today, the cup with water we will also be using today for our experiment, which I will show closer in a moment. We have the spoon we will use to mix the sodium bicarbonate solution, and we have a few measuring spoons as well. Today we will be using the half teaspoon measuring spoon for our sodium bicarbonate solution. And then right over here we have a quarter slice of lemon, which we will be squeezing into the bicarbonate solution, sodium bicarbonate solution. All right, so we have the cup of water that I showed earlier. This is about 3 tablespoons of water, and we're keeping it small because we need a larger ratio of baking soda solution in order to have this lemon react and have the chemical reaction, right? So we have this much water, and we are going to now put in the baking soda solution. So earlier I had said we were going to put half a tablespoon, but this time we're going to put 1 full tablespoon just to give the sodium bicarbonate solution a more solid base. So we have about a tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate. I'm going to pour that in here. And then your mixture should be cloudy in the beginning. So this is how the mixture looks like. And mix it well, and you don't want this mixture to, this cloudy mixture to disappear. So what you're gonna do is right away grab your quarter cut lemon and squeeze. Squeeze. Ooh, I did get a seed in there, but that reaction, I don't know if you saw, but the reaction, it fizzes. It's very fizzy right now, and if I pour some more, so let me just put it over here, it still fizzes a little bit even after I put more citric acid. So this is just the sodium bicarbonate solution and the citric acid mixing together to make a neutralized base. And as you can see, if we move it around a bit more, we can still hear the fizzing effect, although the sodium bicarbonate has sunk to the bottom of the cup. So what happened in this experiment? So to sum it up, in the beginning, I explained to you that sodium bicarbonate is a base. And once that is added into water, we have sodium bicarbonate solution. And if we add a kind of acid, in this case we're adding citric acid, when we combine it together, there will be a neutralized base. And so after we combined the sodium bicarbonate and water, it formed kind of a cloudy mixture. And before that mixture disappears, because you want to have that moment where the water and the baking soda are mixed very well, you pour in the lemon juice. And then we saw from the experiment that it fizzed up. There was a chemical reaction that occurred between the two solutions. So combined together, the mixed solution fizzed, and yeah. And so the only unusual thing I would say that I saw is at the bottom of the solution, at the bottom of the mixed solution, you can see there's like a circle of sunken baking soda. Now, I'm not entirely sure if that's supposed to be how it is or if it didn't totally dissolve. But yeah, the only unusual finding I would say is this circle of baking soda that sunk to the bottom. But other than that, now we know that the sodium bicarbonate solution and citric acid, once added together, mixed together, will create a chemical reaction where it'll fizz. And yeah, so this concludes my experiment, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope this answers all the questions. Thank you so much.